Oh, harmony. Ang ganda ng boses nito ni ate, oh. Eh! Oh! 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 May iyak ako. Oh my God, grabe yung goosebumps ko. Ganda ng production, ng styling, and the editing. Alam mo yun, leveling. What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout everyone. For today, ay magre-react tayo sa isang Christmas Station ID. Yes, last year nag-react din tayo sa kanilang Christmas Station ID na Tuloy ang Pasko. And this is for ALT Records. Christmas Station ID 2022, Sama-Sama Tayo official lyric video. Ayan, talaga naman ramdam na natin ang Christmas feels dahil kanya-kanyang Christmas Station ID na ang inilalabas, and ALT is one of the best, guys. Last year napanood ko, ang ganda. So I'm expecting na mas maganda to ngayon dahil syempre mas pinaghandaan nila. So ano pa nga bang gagawin natin? Before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go! Here it is, guys. ALT Christmas Station ID, Sama-Sama Tayo official lyric video. Music by Ferds Grizal. Oh my God! I love their production always. Very Christmas Station ID. Oh, that is so cute. Purple ang theme nila this year. Oh my God. Oh, ang gagaling ng mga singers din nila. I love it. Ganda ng lyrics, ah. Ba't ako kinikilabutan? Oh, harmony. Ang ganda. Ang cute. Oh my God. Oh, goosebumps.
Mabangon tayo. Ngayong Pasko'y sama-sama tayo.
Hold on, guys. Oh my God, grabe yung goosebumps ko. I love the lyrics of the song. The beat is very Christmas. And also yung theme nila ngayon is sama-sama tayo ngayong Pasko. Yung lyrics na kahit anong pinagdaanan, magniningning tayong muli at babangon at sama-sama tayo ngayong Pasko. Oh my God, ALT Records, grabe. Alam nyo, parang leveling na to ng mga GMA, TV5, and ABS-CBN, diba? Yung mga pa-lyric video, ganito rin yung mga shot, camera angles. Talagang great job for doing this. Sama-sama tayo. May step din sila this year.
Sa mga panahong tumigil ang mundo, kung kailan lahat ay nagbago.
Ang galing ng mga singers.
Sa mga panahong hindi tayo sumuko.
Oh, ang sabi ng eyeshadow, diba?
Ngunit salamat sa iyo.
Oh, may pa-check eye si ate. Ganda rin ang harmony nila. Oh. Wow! Oh my God!
Kasama tayo.
Isang puso, babangon tayo. Sama-sama tayo. Oh. Ang ganda ng arrangement ng music. Maghahari ang pagmamahalan. Oh! Oh my God, wait lang guys, may parap din sila this year. Oh my God, grabe. Alam mo, hindi naman sa ano to dahil ginagaya nila yung ABS-CBN or any Christmas station ID, but it's a way of showcasing their talents, diba? That they can do it as well. Hindi man ito yung mga superstar na singers, but their vocal was really good and they really have a very good vocals. At ang ganda ng mensahe din na gusto nilang ihatid. So they deserve our support and love, diba? For this Christmas Station ID. Kaya naman, medyo balikan natin yung rap part na yun, guys. Balik tayo ng konti. Oo, let's go back a little. Doon sa rap part. So, let's continue. Dito. Hey! Sama-sama, walang iwanan sa hirap at ginhawa. Oh! Nice! Oh! Harmony! Ang ganda ng boses nito ni ate, oh! Isang puso. Oh. Eh! Oh! Oh my God! Hold on guys! Oh my God! Ang ganda ng boses ni ate. Oh my God! Anong pangalan niya? She deserved a clap, clap, clap sa part na yon. Parang siya yung Sarah G, Julie Ann, di ba ganun? Regine Velasquez nung station, parang ganun. Oh, let's go back to that part, guys. Ang ganda nung high notes niya. Oh! Oh my God! Naiiyak ako! Grabe, naiiyak ako, guys! Oh! Oh my God! Hey! Ang ganda! Wow! Sama-sama tayo! There you go! Ang ganda! There you have it, guys. That is ALT Record Christmas Station ID. Sama-sama tayo ngayong Pasko. Oh my God! Alam nyo, na-teary-eyed talaga ako. Ang ganda nung part ni ate doon sa gitna na very solemn yung vocal niya. Tapos ang ganda nung high notes. Tapos nung sabay-sabay silang kumanta, nakaka-goosebumps. Samahan mo pa ng magandang mensahe nung kanta. So talagang almost naiyak na ako. Oh, grabe, no? Nakakatuwa lang kasi to see other music artists who does this kind of Christmas Station ID to showcase, to inspire, diba? To showcase their talent as well, to inspire other Filipinos, and also maramdaman din yung pagdiriwang ng Pasko. So this is really a great move for ALT to showcase their talented music artists. Ang ganda ng blending, ang ganda ng style ng mga vocals. Alam mo yung panlaban din talaga. So, hindi man sila yung mga super sikat natin na mga music artists, but they're also a Filipino music artist na worth it para ma-recognize because they are doing a great great job. Kudos to everyone from the production team and to all the music artists. Ang ganda ng production, ng styling, and the editing. Alam mo yun, leveling, o pwede mo siyang itapat na ito yung mga dapat abangan na Christmas Station ID taon-taon. Alright, that's it with our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Laisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.